Hi, welcome to REXWAY. My name is Liana, and today we're gonna talk about how you can achieve an IP65 connection using REXWAY BS Liquidtight Flexible Conduit and Liquidtight Connector. First, let's get to know REXWAY BS Liquidtight Flexible Conduit. As you can see, it has a thick PVC coating on metal core that gives it great physical damage protection as well as liquidtight properties. It is harder to bend. As you can see, it has minimal ridges that prevents extreme bending. It has great UV and crush resistance that makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor installation and in wet or dry locations. So, to achieve an IP65 rating, you will need to use REXWAY Liquidtight Connector. It comes in three parts, which is the bushing, that comes with a rubber sealing ring. The main body itself comes with a ferrule to be threaded into the flexible conduit, and the other threaded side comes with a rubber gasket. And finally, the lock nut to be used to secure the connection into enclosures. So, this is how you connect the Liquidtight connector to the conduit. Slide the bushing onto the conduit end, and then slide the ferrule onto the conduit, and you have a connection. Now, to connect the raceway to enclosure, first, remove the lock nut, slide the threaded end into the knockout hole, and secure with the lock nut. And the installation is done.
Thank you for watching our video. For more info, contact us at info@insteelwool.com or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn for the latest update. See you on our next video. Goodbye.